In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit mobile site on Wix. If you've built a site on a computer, chances are it doesn't automatically look perfect on a phone. That's where Wix's device breakpoints come in. These are handy view switches at the top of the editor that let you see and fine-tune how your site appears on different screens without reinventing your entire design. Look toward the top bar of the Wix editor, and you'll see a row of device icons called breakpoints. They represent different screen sizes. To focus on phones, click the smallest icon, the one that represents the mobile view. This instantly shifts your workspace to a vertical, phone-sized canvas, so you can see exactly how your pages stack and behave on a smaller screen. Now you're in the right place to edit the mobile site. Use the same editing tools you already know to adjust elements for readability and ease of use on a small display. Keep an eye on text. Make sure headlines don't wrap awkwardly and body copy isn't too small. If something looks cramped, increase spacing or simplify the layout so each section feels clear and scannable. Check buttons and links so they're large enough to tap comfortably, and ensure important information appears high on the page where visitors will see it right away. If images feel oversized or push key content too far down, resize them so they support your message rather than dominate it. Watch for overlapping items. On narrow screens, elements that sat side by side on desktop may stack on top of each other, so nudging their positions can make a big difference. Remember, adjustments you make here are focused on the mobile view. Your core content stays consistent across devices, but sizing and layout tweaks in this view help your site feel tailored to phone users. Aim for clarity, quick loading, and simple navigation so visitors can get what they need fast. Next, look back to the top bar and find the next icon up from mobile, the tablet size. Click it to open the tablet breakpoint. Tablets offer more horizontal space than phones, but they're still not full desktop screens. Here, refine spacing and alignment so sections don't feel either too stretched or too cramped. Make sure images and text balance well, and that interactive elements remain easy to reach and use. With those breakpoints selected and refined, you can now make your changes confidently. Focus on clean layouts, readable text, and intuitive tap targets. And there you go. Your Wix site will feel polished and purposeful on mobile and tablet alike.